Hi. Here's exercise in probability stroke statistics suitable for years 16 and above. And it goes like this. The probability density function of a random variable x is defined as follows. That between the ranges of x from 0 to 1, it's equal to h of x. Between the ranges x between 1 to 3, it's just h being a constant. And from 3 to ranges of x from 3 to 6, it's defined as h over 3 times 6 minus x. And for all other values of x, it's 0. Now, by drawing a graph of this probability density function, we want you to find h and the mean and the median of the distribution. So it's quite easy to see that this will come out as a trapezium, as shown there in the diagram. And the two parallel sides will be 2 at the top and 6 at the bottom, and h is the distance separating those. And the area of that trapezium has, by definition, got to equal 1. So 1 is equal to h over 2 times 2 plus 6, which is 8h over 2, which is 4h, and therefore h is 1/4. Now, to find the mean, we just need to work out the following integrals. The integral between 0 and 1 of hx times x, which is hx squared, and then the integral between 1 and 3 of h times x, and then the integral between 3 and x of h over 3 times 6 minus x times x, where h is equal to 1/4. Now, those are just very basic integrals and can be quite easily shown to come to 31 over 12. I haven't shown all the working because of the time limits, okay? Now, so that's found the mean value of the distribution. To find the median is the value which cuts the area of the trapezium into two equal parts. So I've shown m there on the diagram. It has to be between 1 and 3 because the last triangle area is less than a half, which means that m will lie between 1 and 3. So to find that, we would have to just work out the area. The first triangle is h times 1 divided by 2, and then the next bit is a rectangle which has one side equal to m minus 1, the other side equal to h, and that's got to come to 1/2. So because h is 1/4, that becomes 1 over 8 plus m minus 1 over 4, got to equal 1/2. Multiplying up by 8, we get 1 plus 2m minus 2 has got to equal 4, which means 2m is 5 and m is 2.5. And that's it. And thanks very much for listening.